All right, guys, lesson 103, we're doing line plots and box and whisker plots. So line plots we've done before, box and whisker plots are new. The reason they're called box and whisker plots is because it looks like a box with whiskers sticking off the ends, all right? And so let's take a look. We'll use the example of 10 people being asked how many siblings they have. All right, and let's first make a line plot. So we're just going to go through and put an X for a line plot on our number line anytime I see that number. So 1, put an X above the 1. 3, X. 9, X. 4, X. 2, 1 again, 1 again. So we start stacking those X's, 2 again, 5, and 0. Okay, so an only child for the 0. So there's our line plot. All right, so now we're going to make a box and whisker plot. Okay, so a box and whisker plot, we're going to do 4 things. So step 1 for the box and whisker plot. Number 1, find the median. Okay. In order to find the median, I need to arrange these in order. All right. So I'm going to just do that real quick. So we go 0. So we're going in numerical order. 0, 1, 1. We have 3 ones, 2 2s. So the number plot can kind of help us here. 1 3, 1 4. 1 5, and 1 9. All right, so my median is going to be the middle number. All right, so we have 1 2 3 10, right? Hopefully 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So it's going to be between the 5 and 5. So it's going to be the average of the 2. So 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. So here's our median, right? So we're going to take the average of the 2 2s, so since it's 2, 2 plus 2 is 4 divided by 2, so my median is 2, okay? All right, so that's step 1, okay? Step 2, label the lower extreme and upper extremes. Label lower extremes and upper extremes. All right, so all that means is the lowest possible number and the highest number that we had. Okay, so our lowest number was 0. That's our lower extreme, so we'll say LE equals 0. And the upper extreme, the UE, equals 9. All right, step 3. Find the median between actual median and lower extreme. Find median between actual median, so step 1's median, and lower extreme. Okay, so what's the median between 2, right, and 0, all right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right, so it's going to be right here. Okay, so I have 2 on that side, 2 on that side. All right, so it's going to be the average of 1 and 1 again, and so that would be 1. All right, so 1. And then step 4, okay, would be to find the middle, the median between actual median and upper extreme. All right. So doing the same thing. but with the upper extreme. Okay, so that is 9, right? So between here and here, all right, so let's see. It's gonna be, I guess it would be 4 in that case, all right? So 4. Okay, so from here, we can now make our box and whisker plot, all right? So I have 4 pieces of information in order to do that. So I am going to erase this part, keep this number line. Actually, you know what, I'll just do this. Getting fancy here. All right, so we'll do this. We got our number line again. Okay, so I'm gonna label those 4 things, right? So we know our median was 2, okay? Just to confirm, median is 2. I'm gonna put a point at 2. I don't know why it keeps doing that. Okay, so there's our point at 2, all right? I know that our lower extreme was 0, so I'll put a point there. And I know our upper extreme was 9, so I put a point there. And then I know that the median between the actual median and the lower median, or lower extreme was 1, so point there. And then on the other end, 4. Okay. So there we go. So we have our 4 pieces of information, right? We have our lower extreme, our LE, we have our median, and our upper extreme, and then we have the median between those. Oh, I'm sorry. This is not the median here. The median is at 2. Okay. All right, so from here, I am going to make a box around the median from between here and here and there. So there's my box. The box goes around the median between the lower extreme and the median, and the median between the median and upper extreme. All right, and then I'm gonna make my whiskers, and my whiskers just connect from the box to the extremes. Okay, and I would draw a line down the middle, connecting the median. All right, so that's it. That's your box and whisker plot. That's all we got. All right, fellas.